Hi guys, a little context here. I took Ruta's course last year June, so it's been around almost 9 months since I took a course, and I started implementing certain things right away. One of which was Instagram, of course. So Instagram is one of my favorite modules, I'll say. Other than that is the Get Clients module. So these two modules are really different and encouraging. Other than that, the rest of the course is superb as well. Coming to Instagram, I started growing and working on my Instagram when I took the course, that is in June, and it's been 9 months. In those 9 months, I have grown from 454 followers to about 12.1k followers currently. And it's not just about the followers, but with the followers, I get tons of inbound leads for people wanting to work with my agency, for people wanting to take coaching and consultation with me, for which I started like a different line of business, for which I get a lot of inquiries, and I am happy and really grateful to her. And on the agency front, I do social media marketing, and my agency does sales funnels as well as Facebook ads for people. On the basis of that, we have closed a really high ticket client really soon recently, and I think the Get Clients module is a very good module to have set that base for us. And whatever she talks about in the course is actually genuine and works only if we implement. So there are a lot of things which I haven't implemented, and I haven't gotten those results because I think it's the lack is in me that I have not implemented those. However, whatever I have implemented, I've got amazing results. So thank you so much, Ruta. The recent client that I closed was for about 6,000 USD for 3-month contract. So thank you so much, Ruta. As per MAA, I just got access to MAA 2.0, and I'm so excited to dive into it. I've just checked out the first module, which is one of my favorite modules. Again, the mindset module is really important to keep you on track, because everyone has those low days. And personally, I love that module as well, because that helps you coach yourself. So thank you so much again.